Hello everyone, it's Cooking with Matthew. Today we're going to be doing a crawfish, fried crawfish po' boy. I've got me some egg wash made up. I've wrote down what I put in the egg wash. I've got me some seasoned flour here. I've wrote that down. It's a very simple process. I got a little bag of 12 ounces of crawfish here. Just going to put them in there. Some people wash these things off. I like the flavor of the juice. The juice that they've cooked them and it's got that flavor cooked into them, so that helps sort of flavor the, give you the flavor of the crawfish, so to speak. I've got my oil getting hot over here. Don't try that at home. It feels like it's hot enough. I got my po' boy buns over here. I didn't write down the 12 ounce crawfish. Okay, so I'm just going to get this crawfish in this egg wash here. Going to coat it real good. The flies are not wanting to cooperate. I've got to get me a bug zapper evidently. They're bad this year. They're getting in the house and yeah, this should make a few po' boys. We're just gonna bread this up real good. It's just a flour and some blackening seasoning is all that I've got in this batter here, and it looks like it may need more of the flour possibly. I'm probably just going to fry that amount, and I'll keep the rest of this in the fridge for another one later, because this is going to be me eating, so you may have to help up on that flour content. So I'm going to get me a plate, paper towels. I'm going to lay that stuff down. Fixing to show you what we're looking like over here. Just frying up some crawfish. The crawfish is already cooked. We're just trying to get them hot and trying to get that bread and cooked basically. So the next thing I got going on is basically we ain't really making no sauce to go on this stuff. Where did I put my... That is. We're going to end up tossing these crawfish. I had a little pan in here. We're going to toss the crawfish in this tiger sauce here. But we're going to... I got some coleslaw mix here. It's just a 14 ounce bag. Okay, I'm gonna get me a little apple cider vinegar here. I ain't gonna need that much. This is. I'm gonna use that for my seasoning. Here we go. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, see these crawfish, you gotta keep an eye on these things. They're ready. These things ain't gonna take long. It's gonna be a Mondo po' boy. Put these things in here for right now. Just I got the little critters are swimming around right now. We got two tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, sugar. I may end up putting another tablespoon in there. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of sugar. Quarter cup sugar, and then I'm going to do me some I'm just going to make this pretty simple. I'm going to do 1/2 tablespoon salt, and we will do I got some cayenne pepper I thought I had out here somewhere. Right here. No, that's paprika. Well, I thought I had the cayenne out. I guess not. I'll use red pepper flakes. Do a 1/2 teaspoon of them. You can use black salt or black pepper. I mean, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my my whisk, and the whole purpose of putting this sugar and stuff in there is to help get this salt and the sugar to end up dissolving, where it's not just a bunch of little crystals. So I'm going to add it's looking like, for what I've got here, this 4-ounce bag, I'm going to try this, about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Show you what we're looking like. It's a nice little coleslaw dressing. That's where it needs to be on taste. Then we're just going to add this in. Should be enough to keep it wet, to wet this stuff up good. I'm hoping it does. I'm usually pretty good at eyeballing, but I'm not always. This stuff will shrink down once I start stirring it around. It should have been enough to, it's wetting it up fairly good. Yeah, there we go. You don't want it too wet. This is about the right, actually about perfect now. I was afraid it wasn't going to be enough, but it's actually about perfect right now. Oh yeah. And my po' boy bun right here. I probably could have stirred that stuff, let that stuff dissolve a little bit more. but this I can still feel a little bit of the crunch in there. Coleslaw. All right, so get my crawfish out. Got the coleslaw there. Crawfish is out. And I'm just going to get some of this tiger sauce. This stuff's really good. We used to do a sauteed crawfish po' boy, which I may do one of them one day with this stuff. You actually cook it in there when you're sauteing it. It may be one later down the road when I get another hankering for a crawfish po' boy. I just wanted it fried. So I'm just gonna, you just put however much you want on there. I'm just gonna toss it around. These particular po' boy buns did not come cut. I don't know why, but they just did. So I'm gonna cut them myself. I noticed that because I ate a steak sandwich for breakfast this morning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some of this coleslaw. I'm gonna put a nice little bed of that stuff down. I'm just going to pile these crawfish on top. This is a nice little simple thing. You can put some onion and tomato on there if you want. I just don't really feel the need for it. I just want to do some coleslaw and some fried crawfish on a bunch. See, I was enough to make 2 of these, and I still got some left. So this project probably is, it's going to be a messy little sandwich. This project's probably going to be good enough to make 4 sandwiches, to be honest with you. You see how big and heaping over that thing is. It's just falling out the sides. So I'm fixing to bite into this thing. Grab me. See, it's messy. I could have picked a better bun, I think. Mmm. Not gonna find a better crawfish po' boy than that anywhere. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you the recipe. Put these up right now. I get me some fly swatter and stuff. Zapper. They just took over in here for some reason. So I got the egg wash was one egg, 1/3 cup of milk. The flour mixture was 1/2 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of black and red fish magic. What I would do, I would double that for this because it was not enough flour to do the whole bag if you're going to do the whole thing of crawfish. So I would do 3 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of black and red fish magic. Then we got 12 ounces of crawfish, tiger sauce to taste after you do all that. And then the coleslaw mix was 14-ounce bag of coleslaw, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can opt out for black pepper if you want. There's my little chicken scratch. If y'all can read it and understand it. Y'all watch the video, then y'all should understand the process. With that, hope y'all have a blessed day. Until next time, God bless you.